How often have you pondered about the existence and unity of Allah? A profound question, isn't it? One that propels our thoughts towards the intricate and harmonious order of the universe. This harmony, as stated in Surah Al-Anbiya 22, would have been in a state of disorder if there had been other gods besides Allah. So, we glorify Allah, the Lord of the throne, beyond what they attribute to him. To delve deeper into this concept, let's consider a few analogies. Picture a perfectly organized pharmacy or an efficient factory, a well-ordered warehouse or a well-disciplined army. Imagine millions of electric lamps illuminating a city or a book inscribed with fine writing. Each example, in its essence, illustrates a single, unified authority orchestrating a complex system. These analogies serve as a reflection of our universe, an embodiment of Allah's infinite power and control. Every field of knowledge you encounter manifests Allah's beautiful names and introduces him. Scene script. Have you ever thought about a well-organized pharmacy or a highly efficient factory? Let's ponder over these examples. A perfect pharmacy is a marvel of precision and expertise. Each jar holds medicines meticulously prepared, with exact measurements, hinting at a knowledgeable pharmacist's work. Each compound is a unique blend of substances. Even a minor variation could alter its potency or render it harmful. Now, picture a factory, a hub of productivity, churning out thousands of fabric types from a straightforward material. A sugar factory, for instance, yields sugar from sugar beets, and an oil factory extracts oil from sunflowers or nuts. These examples mirror the universe's precise and efficient functioning under Allah's command. Just as a slight alteration in a medicine's composition can cause harm, so could a minor change in the elements within plants or animal bodies disrupt life. The elements within plants or animal bodies, if even slightly altered, would disrupt life. This indicates the meticulous control Allah has over his creations. Imagine a well-stocked warehouse or an exceptionally coordinated army. Picture a warehouse brimming with diverse foods from all corners of the globe, each item methodically collected and stored. This is Earth, where millions of distinct plants and animals spring forth from the soil in an orderly fashion. The elements within these organisms, if even minutely altered, would throw life into chaos. Such intricate organization points towards a singular divine orchestrator, Allah. Now, consider a disciplined army. Each soldier hails from different nations, possessing unique dietary needs, weapons, uniforms, and training routines. Imagine the commander who oversees this vast diversity, ensuring each unit's specific needs are met. This is akin to Earth every spring, when countless plant and animal species undergo their own unique cycles, tailored to their needs. This grand spectacle, this dance of life, is not random. It's a symphony, orchestrated by Allah. Every spring, countless plant and animal species undergo specific cycles tailored to their needs, orchestrated by Allah. Picture millions of electric lamps moving through a splendid city, burning endlessly without depletion. This endless illumination, this uninterrupted operation, suggests the presence of a brilliant electrician, an engineer, or even a designer who orchestrates their function flawlessly. Just like these lamps, the celestial bodies, such as stars, burn continuously without depletion, a testament to Allah's infinite power, his control over the universe. Now imagine a book, each line inscribed with fine writing, every word carrying profound meaning, all interconnected. A book like this showcases not just the skill of the author, but their intelligence, their wisdom. The universe, in a similar vein, is a book scripted by Allah. Each aspect, from the surface of our earth to the changing of the seasons, is a verse in this grand narrative presenting a masterpiece of creation. The universe is a book scripted by Allah, where each aspect presents a masterpiece of creation. So what does all this tell us about the existence and unity of Allah? We've journeyed through various examples, analogies that illustrate the intricate design and order of our universe. A flawless pharmacy, a remarkable factory, an organized warehouse, a meticulous military structure, ceaselessly burning lamps, and a beautifully scripted book. Each one a testament to Allah's profound knowledge, infinite power, and impeccable orchestration. Every atom, every cell, every organism, and celestial body is a manifestation of Allah's beautiful names. Each field of knowledge we traverse introduces us to Him, revealing His boundless wisdom and unity. The harmony in the universe, the balance in nature, the cycles of life, all point towards the existence of one supreme entity, Allah. Remember the words from Surah Al-Anbiya 22. If there had been in the heavens and the earth other gods besides Allah, then surely both would have been in a state of disorder. So glorified be Allah, the Lord of the throne, beyond what they attribute to him.